Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Robinhood Crypto, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin using Robinhood Crypto, first, download the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the download is complete, open the app and sign up for a new account. You will need to provide personal information such as your name, email address, and phone number. After entering this information, you will receive a verification code via text or email. Enter the verification code to continue with the sign-up process. Next, you will need to create a secure password for your account. Once your account is created, complete any necessary identity verification as instructed. This may include providing additional personal details and uploading a form of identification. After verification, you can fund your account by linking a bank account. To link your bank account, navigate to the account settings and select the banking option. Follow the prompts to enter your bank details. Once your bank account is linked, initiate a deposit to your Robinhood account. Keep in mind that it may take a few business days for the funds to clear. When your account is funded, open the crypto section of the app. You can browse available cryptocurrencies by tapping on the Crypto tab. Select a cryptocurrency that interests you to learn more about it. To buy cryptocurrency, tap the Buy button on the Coins page. Enter the amount you wish to purchase and review the order details. Confirm your purchase to complete the transaction. You can check your crypto holdings on your portfolio page. To sell your cryptocurrency, simply navigate back to its page and tap the Sell button. Enter the amount you want to sell and confirm the transaction. Monitor your investments regularly to stay informed about market changes. Utilize the educational resources within the app to enhance your understanding of crypto trading. Remember to manage your risk and invest only what you can afford to lose. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.